The AR Media Exporter for SketchUp provides a set of tools that allows you to easily export your 3D projects from SketchUp to the AR Media platform. Available features include the capability to export the model, export a selection, and connect to AR Media Studio. In order to enable this connection, you have to log in using your platform credentials. The workflow starts when you open your SketchUp 3D model. Prepare the model before exporting. Follow the AR Media guidelines for models preparation, to make sure to optimize it properly. Then, you can click the Export button on the AR Media toolbar. Wait some time while the model is being exported. The waiting time varies depending on the file size and connection speed. When the export process is over, you can access the 3D model on the web platform. Browse the files in the Assets Manager, and open the model you just exported. It is now available to be used in a new augmented reality project.